Hi viewers, today we are reviewing some of the best hand mixers available in the market. We have selected these products according to their price, durability, and user satisfaction. Check the description box below for more information about the listed products. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more product reviews. On number 5 we have KitchenAid Hand Mixer. All the power you expect without the cord. You can go where ambition takes you with the cordless hand mixer from KitchenAid. It is designed with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The new cordless hand mixer delivers optimal runtime and performance. It is equipped with a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The new KitchenAid cordless hand mixer delivers optimal runtime and performance. On number 4 we have Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. You can whip up an airy meringue or decadent cake with the Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. This versatile mixer is your go-to appliance for mixing, whisking and folding with 250 watts of peak power. A built-in bowl rest makes it easier to set the mixer down when adding ingredients. The mixer has 6 speeds including quick burst functions for additional power at any speed. The Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer is not just about performance, it's also designed for easy storage. A convenient snap-on case keeps attachments together so you don't have to search for them each time you need them. On number 3 we have Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. It comes with a 275-watt motor for accomplishing tough jobs. This compact hand mixer provides power and versatility. This button provides an extra charge available at any speed for powering through tough tasks. Another attributes include a rest so the mixer can hang on a bowl's edge, instead of messing up the counter with dripping beaters or whisk. A flat platform on the mixer's end so it stands up for compact storage. On number 2 we have Oventi Hand Mixer. This hand mixer has 5 mixing speeds from low to high for a perfectly customizable texture and consistency for any recipe you desire. The shape of the mixer makes it easy to grip and comfortable to hold. Its changing speeds is easy, simply slide over with a single touch. It is equipped with 120 volts and 150 watts of motor power. This hand mixer instantly blends ingredients together seamlessly with its high-quality chrome beaters. Its ergonomic design makes the body easy to grip and control with precision. On number 1 we have Cuisinart Hand Mixer. Introducing a hand mixer that's as easy to put away as it is to operate. The Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-speed hand mixer performs any task a recipe calls for, and then tucks into its own storage case. It has extra long beaters, chef's whisk and dough hooks fit into a clear case and the mixer snaps on top. Hope this review helps you to finalize product according to your need.